Alrighty, welcome back. So I'm going to start on a case. I won't do the whole case in this video, but it'll be broken down into 6 videos. But it is a sealed case in case anyone likes to keep track of stuff like that. Some people do. Others, doesn't matter. Alright, well, let's go with the center one. Center top. Alright. Let's put this here. Let's grab an empty box for stuff and let's get to it. Alright. First 2 boxes haven't been bad. I mean, I got a overnumber Aurelia Legend, which is great. So that's my second overnumber. Doing one of my pre-Rift kit events. I pulled an overnumber Silver. So, and maybe if the statistics are just like Origins, maybe this case will give me 2 more. So that'll be cool. Alright, well, we got a Jax Legend, we got this Heart of Dark Eyes, and Relentless Pursuit. So, first epic. Alright, triple rare pack. Lucian for his Relentless Pursuit, and a Rek'Sai. Is this an epic or? Yeah, just an epic. It's not alt art or anything. And then another mech token. I'm mainly looking for Draven, another Rengar, 3 Dravens, another Rengar, another Ferris Forerunner, so I'll be happy to get those. And obviously any goodies that are worth something. Jenna. And Marching Orders. And a Rune. Hopefully everyone out there was able to get some product. Seems to be more available than Origin, so nice. Ezreal? No, this isn't the good one. I don't think, right? No. Then Altar Memories and another Chaos Rune. I need those runes to be alt arts. I need more purple alt arts. So I can fully have my thing blinged up. Oh, common uncommon foil pack with a legend. Worst thing you can get. I've gotten one of those before. It's horrible. But in a box, it all evens out, as they say. Serrated Dirk, Mr. Azir, and a Ornn Legend. So far, nothing good. Maybe Rek'Sai. Is Rek'Sai good? Maybe she's good. Alright, triple rare, Rumbo, Serix, and Shirelias. Shirelias. Is this an Ornn signature spell? Yeah. He gets all the cool stuff, huh? recurve bow and foil, spirit wheel, and a rumbo. Oh, and a yellow rune. First alt art. Oops. But it's not a purple rune, and I need the purple runes. Hard bargain and foil. Nice. Gotta keep that one out because I need one for my deck, so I'll put it in foil. Auction. And Zero Drive. So an epic. It's pretty cool. So I guess Spanish. I don't get it. I don't get it. Whatever. It'll come to me. Doesn't make sense right now. Mr. Lonely Poro. Another common uncommon foil. Feels bad. With a legend. Yeah, that's horrible. Those are horrible packs. Absolutely horrible packs. And if that's like literally the only pack you buy, I would feel so bad. Fizz. Hextech Anomaly. And a rune. So far, pretty weak box, I would say. I don't know. Nothing to write home about. A Rel. And Mr. J. Alright, well. Really wish I would get a Draven. Would be nice. Would be nice. Full. So foil. Yellow Rexa, Lucian. Another foil battlefield. Yeah. Feel raw. And needlessly large Yordle and a Lucian. Alt art. Nice. Lucian alt art. Okay. Well, I'm getting a little nervous. I'm not going to get 3 Dravens. Which is insane if I don't out of... Bone Shiver. It's not bad. So another epic. foil. Come in. Arcane Shift. Another epic. Okay. Well, almost out of epics. Oops. And maybe one or two more alt arts. Or common foil. Rek'Sai. And Draven. Hell yeah, finally. Jeez. Just beginning to think he wasn't going to come. Just two more Dravens, one more Rengar, and one more Ferris Runner. Alright. Death Grip and foil. Jace and a Draven Legend. And those are in the wrong spot. I don't know. It's worth it for me because of Draven, even though that Draven is literally $2. So, but not having to buy them is foil common, Ornn, and a Soraka. Nice. Three packs left after this. Hell yeah, that's the box for me. Because I forgot I need two of these, so now I only need one. And an Aurelia. This is the good Aurelia. Hell yeah, that's a great pack right there. Switcheroo and an Aurelia. Hell yeah. I forgot I needed a switcheroo, so. Alright, well now we're cooking with gas. Just need a couple more boxes like this. Another switcheroo and another Draven. And I'll be happy. So foil ring. Not bad. Yone. We have so many of these because of all the pre-release, so I don't think he's worth anything. And Under Titan. Alright. We're still missing one, at least one. This wasn't it, right? No, that's an epic. Yeah, we're still missing one alt art. Hopefully it's in this, or I don't know. I can't remember. I think Origins I've gone only 2 before, but that would feel bad. I can't remember though. I'm sure it's possible, but you don't want it to happen. All right. Got this. There we go. Not worth anything because it's the blue one, but at least we got our third alt art. Now, can we get a fourth one in this last pack? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Probably not. It's probably just 3. I think one of my first boxes was just stacked with, because I got 4. All right. Foil. The heck? It's usually the other order. Foil. Ooh, Rengar. Heck yeah. It's my last Rengar I needed. This box was great for me. As far as hits, I don't know because this Ezreal isn't good, so this alt art is pretty much garbage. Lucian, I'm not sure, and obviously the rune. So I know this Aurelia is like 20. I don't know what this is or any other one of these. So and Rek'Sai, I'm not sure about Rek'Sai. So a lot of like signature and kind of cool equipment cards, but I don't know. I don't know if the value was there, but I have 3 cards that I need, so I'm okay with it. And I'm getting cards that I haven't gotten, so pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. Subscribe if you haven't. Most importantly, get out there and play some Riftbound, play some sorcery, play some TCG, make some new friends, and enjoy yourself. And have a wonderful rest of your day. I do appreciate you watching. Thanks. Come again.